Okay, everybody, welcome back. This is part two of our time management video. And now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to make a schedule, a daily and weekly schedule to get all your assignments done each week. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this assignment calendar that the students will see for each one of their classes. So I'm going to click that on, and you will see it takes us here. The assignment calendar for this particular class, this would be World History, Semester 2. And you can see, you can scroll down and pick any given week in the semester and see what assignments are due. So just for illustration purposes, I went with last semester, and I picked week 3 of this World History class. So you can see in week 3, which goes from September 7th through September 13th, these are the assignments that are due each day, Monday through Friday. Now, even though the assignment calendar gives you Monday through Friday, technically the students would have the entire week from Sunday to the following Sunday to get the assignments done. But if your student is only going to work Monday through Friday, this calendar here breaks the assignments down each day. Now, they don't have to do them this way. They can do them on any days they want. But this does show you at the end of week 3, it shows you everything they have to do. Now, what a lot of students do that's very helpful is they will print out this assignment calendar for this week, for this class and for all their other classes, and they'll have that right in front of them as they sit down at the computer each day. That's not a bad idea to do that. I think it's a really good idea. Then they don't have to go and find the calendar when they log in each day. They'll have a hard copy of it. Okay? So you'll have this assignment calendar for each class. And if you're taking 6 classes, you'll have 6 assignment calendars. Now, the other thing I want to say about the assignment calendar is they're working through, let's say, these assignments. Let's say it's Tuesday and they're working through each thing that's due, and they get to something and they just don't know what to do. It's really important at that point that they stop what they're doing and contact their teacher. And the teachers are available all day. We wait for our students to call us or send us an email with a question. So if they have a problem, they should contact the teacher. They can call, they can send a text, they can email, they can send a message through Edgenuity. But the important thing is that they reach out. The other thing that they can do when they take a quiz, you'll see here on Tuesday there's a quiz. If they get a very low grade on the quiz, they can ask the teacher to retake it. And the teacher may discuss with them what problems they were having with the quiz and then allow a retake. So it's very important for students to stay on top of these assignments, check their grades, and if they have a really low grade, to talk to the teacher about that. The other thing I think is really important is the students do, in creating this calendar, is that they have a routine. Routine works really well for teenagers and younger students. When they wake up each day, they know when they're going to school, they know when they're going to work. Every week they know on Monday I'm going to do my world history and I'm going to do my math. On Tuesday I'm going to do my English. Having a routine is very helpful. Okay, now let me give you some other ideas about how you can create a schedule. Let's take a look at another screen. Now here is a template that I found from a virtual school that a parent had created, where they broke their week down Sunday through Saturday, and they created a schedule for each day as to what classes they're going to work on. In this schedule, they even factored in meals, breaks, the time they're going to start, time they're going to finish. And you'll notice also factored into this schedule is something called live lesson sessions. Now, some teachers will hold a live lesson on the computer where students can interact online with the teacher. It's what we call Blackboard Collaborate. So some teachers do that, and you would write that right in here, like what day and what time. So this is a very nice template that you could use. Um, I can provide this if anybody wants a clean copy of this. I can send you an email link to it. So these are just some ideas that I had about time management, creating a schedule, staying organized, and the best way to get all this work done at the end of the week so that they stay on pace and are successful in virtual school each week.